All right, so I'm going to go over uploading an RPB2 sequence to GenBank through the BankIt portal. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to blast the sequence in GenBank. And while that's happening, I'm going to make sure I have my sequence open in Eugene. All right, and I'm just going to, although it doesn't really matter, I'm going to sort by %identity. And then I'm going to turn on the CDS feature. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to BankIt. I'm going to start a BankIt submission. Continue. I'm also going to open up the ITS record in GenBank for this species. I'm going to add my sequence authors. Continue. This was done with Sanger. Assembled. Under molecule type, I'm going to hit genomic. And then I'm going to grab the RPB2 sequence. And unlike ITS and LSU submissions, you can just paste it in. You don't need to upload a FASTA, although you can if you'd like to. Hit continue. Okay, so this is just an Inocybe species, unnamed, so I'm just going to put Inocybe species. Continue, continue. Source modifiers. All right, I'm going to copy it from the ITS. So, collected by, collection date, geoloc name, isolate, what else? I guess latitude and longitude. Okay. Collected by. Sigrid. Collection date. All right. Double check that looks good. I'm going to add features by completing input forms. I'm going to hit coding region CDS, providing intervals, and then I'm going to hit add. All right. So this isn't the full RPB2, so I'm going to put partial at the 5 and the 3. So this one's pretty easy. The reading frame is going to be 1 since the G is the start of this codon for the A. All right, and then I'm going to go down to the first intron, which is here, and I'm going to select this motif leading up. I don't know what this character is called. I call it the squiggles. I'm just going to copy that, and I'm going to search it in Eugene so I can figure out which nucleotide position that is, and we can see it's 693. So I'm going to put 1 as the start. What was it, 693? And then I'm gonna go back, and then I'm gonna highlight where it starts again at that T, which is 744, and it goes to 766. So 744, 766, and then just to make it quick, I'm going to open up the session for this guy. I don't like what that says. We're gonna go to the next one. Okay. And I'm gonna copy that into protein and gene description, and then I'll copy RPB2 under protein and gene name. I'll hit accept, and then continue. And then it's almost hidden, but number 3 where it says submission title, I'm gonna put what this is. And then I'm going to hit finish submission after I check that everything here looks good. And that's it.